Hello everybody, this is my GE W22 Box Fan. I think it was made in 1968 or 1969. There are three features of this fan that point to this. The GE 3-speed badge is in the center of the grille. The grille uses this older style mount to the frame. Incidentally, if one of those vinyl or rubber caps is broken off, I believe it could be replaced with an automotive vacuum cap. And the speed control indicator has the dimple style pointer. We're now going to show the side. And the back. And we'll turn it back around to where it was, and we'll give a demonstration. All right, so we'll start off on the first speed, which is low. This does have the faster low, which is typical of these. We'll now go to medium. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more to come, so stay tuned.